How to sign up for a VK account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sign up for a VK account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you will need to download the VK app. If you don't have it, you can easily get it from your App Store or Google Play Store. After that, open it up and there you should see different ways you can create an account. As you can see right here, the first is you can log in. The first page that you'll be at is the sign in page. Now, if you do have an account, you can easily log in using your email address or your Apple address. So if you don't have an account, tap on the sign up option on the bottom right. Now here what you will need to do is you will need to use your phone number, type in your phone number, and then they will send you a code from where you can just log in. After you do that, your account will get created. Now, due to regional issues, I am not able to create an account in VK. So yeah, the basic thing that you can do is just type in your phone number here, wait for the code, and then you can put that code in, which will create your account, and then you can start using VK. After that, you can just log into VK using your phone number or email address from this page right here, or you can simply sign in with your QR code as well. There's also an option to sign in with Apple, so you can do that as well. And that is basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye, take care.